So what had happened was, ये devotee book distribution करते थे in bus party, in buses. So they'll go in bus will go to one village, they'll get down and they will distribute books, then go to next village. Like that they kept doing with announcements. So one devotee, what he did, he said there was an intermediate village and the bus party was not. वो लोग सोचे अरे ये छोटा गाँव है, छोड़ देते हैं इसको, कोई नहीं है, हम बड़े गांव चलते हैं. तो डिवोटी ने कहा टेंशन मत लीजिए प्रभु जी, आप मुझे इधर उतार दीजिए, यू ड्रॉप मी हियर, आप आगे जाओ, मैं लिफ्ट लेके आ जाऊंगा, आपको पकड़ लूंगा. सो ही गॉट डाउन एंड फाउंड दैट वाज अ डेड विलेज. डेड विलेज यानी कि कोई नहीं था, सब घर लॉक थे, नोबडी वाज देयर. ही वाज ट्राइंग हिज बेस्ट, कोई नहीं कुछ कर रहा. फाइनली he found one living entity. Yes. And he was a person with topi and only dadi. So you all can understand who is the person he found for book distribution. So what he did, he prayed intensely to Srila Prabhupada. He prayed to the lordships. He just prayed to his guru and he went there and he said, Chacha, ye lijiye, aapke liye, padhiye, Bhagavad Gita hai. And he spoke to him for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And then this person did something which was unexpected. This person caught hold of his hand and took him on the road, main road. And this person, any bike was coming, he stopped. Ruko, ye lo, Bhagavad Gita, padho tum. So this Muslim guy started giving Bhagavad Gita and telling them, you read. And then the person was convinced. He paid 100 rupees, took. Next. Or ek aur hai kya? He took one more and gave it to that Muslim man. He said, chalo, ye lo. So practically 1, 2, 3, 4 in just about, it was like 100% strike rate. Kya strike rate tha uska? Ek bhi mein ball miss nahi hua. Anyone was coming, he was giving them the Gita. And then he turned to this devotee and asked, aur hai kya? And he said, मुझे कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी, मैंने थोड़ा छोटा गाँव है, 4 ही बुक जाएगा, I did not bring. और लेके आ सकते हैं क्या? And practically you could see the enthusiasm of this person and the kind of happiness he was experiencing in having distributed 4 Dharma Granthas, 4 books of Bhagavad Gita to others. Wow. Yes. So इस प्रकार से, if somebody is having Krishna in one's heart and wants to give Krishna to others, one has that particular. इससे संग से क्रांति होगी. That's how Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement spread. Yes, संग से क्रांति. महाप्रभु को जो लोग देखते थे, उनसे सुनते थे, they all used to become devotees. Anyone has seen him dancing used to become devotees. And the person who has seen Mahaprabhu becoming dancing would become pure devotee. He would go and somebody else would see him, they will also become devotee. तो ऐसा देख के भक्त बनते थे. संग से क्रांति. And it is possible to bring the same thing back, provided a person is chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra from the heart, is chanting attentively from his heart and properly, and establishing Krishna in the heart. Because when Krishna is established in the heart, then one can actually bring about a Kranti. Yes, Sang se Kranti. Varna Krishna nahi hai, to kya denge unko? What will you give others? Correct? Sang se Kranti is possible when you have Krishna in your heart.